Dito na tayo sa sa bilihan ng kotse. Ito nga pala yung kasama natin na bibili ng kotse. Ito. Yan oh. Yan, nandito tayo sa HMG Hervey Bay Motor Group. Kia, Isuzu, Ute, Nissan, Honda. Yan yung mga pwede mong pagpilian na brand. Ito nga pala yung buyer natin, si Miko. At syempre kasama ang kanyang family. Hindi natin bibidyan, baka sa video baka mayayain.
Grabe yun, 38,000.
Yan o.
Tayo nag-oversee mo, 30,000.
Wala pa nga sa dyan eh. Baka 8,000 ba, di ba?
Yung butal na
8,800, 8,800, 8,888 na yun. Guys, punta muna natin yan. Pag-ikot na lang tayo dyan. Pag-ikot, doon na tayo. Titingin tayo ng mga used car. Baka makabili rin tayo balang araw. Pero sa ngayon, ito muna. Papamiko muna. Okay guys.
Yan na, U-turn no?
Ito, mag-U-turn tayo. At saka nga pala guys, ito nga pala, naka-Australian license na to. Ayan guys, so yung mga used car. Ayan guys, dito tayo ngayon. HMG Hervey Bay Motor Group. Yan yung mga sakyan ng mga pick-up. Ang gaganda guys, oh. Yan, tignan natin yung mga kotse dito. Yan, oh. 39,990. Tingin tayo ng mga used car. Sobrang gaganda ng mga used car dito. Medyo mahal nga lang katulad nito, sample, oh. 39,990. Ayun guys. Tingin tayo, ikot-ikot tayo. Dito tayo sa Hervey Bay Motor Group. Dito yan sa Hervey Bay, tatagpuan. Yan. 60,000, 57,190. Finance available. Pwedeng hulugan. 7-year warranty. Ito, meron din dito. KMG. Ito. Tingin tayo sa loob. Tingin sa mga SUV. Tingin tayo sa mga SUV. Ayan guys, yung mga presyo ng kotse dito, katulad nito. Hervey Bay Motor Group. Anong kotse to? Ito, meron din dito isang anong brand to? Hindi natin alam yung mga brand na iba eh. Ito, Muso pala yun, Muso. Ano ba yung Muso guys? Ayun o. KGM. GWM. 47,733. Ito, ang gaganda ng mga pick-up din o, ng Muso. Ito tayo, Xiangyong Hervey Bay. Ito yung mga pwede kang mag-finance dito, hulugan ng mga kotse. Ito, 29,990. Pwede rin hulugan yan. Yun, pag gusto nyo tumingin, bumili at wala kayong budget masyado, pwede nyo hulugan dito yan. Yan, parang sa Pinas lang din. Yan. Yan na tayo. Ha? Ha? Sino? Yan ang pwedeng...
Installment.
Yeah, installment. Finance? Bank and finance?
Yeah, you can buy on finance. You've got a job.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've been there for more than, 3 months, I think it is.
Yeah. Already
Yeah.
2 years, right? You're working? 3 years?
3 years.
Good.
I've been 3
He's working. He's the one who going to buy.
Okay.
And then, what about the down payment and
Down
the
payment.
process?
Basically, like the car, you sit with me. I do up all the paperwork. $1,000 deposit or $500 deposit. Then it goes into the business manager, and he'll do all the finance application for you. It's fairly simple.
But the price is finance price or cash price?
The same
The same, the same. There's there's no interest for.
in the Philippines.
All right.
No skin tax.
Yeah, skin tax.
Hindi. Also,
All right, I understand.
6 months registration. We do all the registration for you.
Then roadworthy and everything.
Yeah, we do all that.
You reckon how long it takes before we get the car, just in case?
That's up to you and your finances, really. So if someone comes in, let's say they own 3 houses, and they say, "Oh, I'll finance the car." No worries. So type it all in. Bank says yes straight away. Easy.
Okay, easy.
Someone walks in, you're a worker, you've been working 6 months, bank's and then maybe bank says nah. Then it goes to the next person, next lender, and they go, let me think. It can take longer. It's hard to
It
explain. It's basically every different applicant. It's like when you buy a house. If you walked into and said, I want to get a loan to buy a house, how much you got in the bank? I got $10 million in my bank. You'll get the loan real fast.
Okay.
But if you say, oh, we're just working, well, let's see if we can do it, and it takes time. All in all, not that. What do you do for a job?
Chef,
A chef. Where at?
Barham Heads,
Ah, very good. Okay, how long you been there?
3 years.
3 years?
Next year, 3 years. Next month, sorry, not next year.
That's right. And you're full time?
Yeah, full time.
It shouldn't take that long. Have you got? See, we also work on a credit score. Like if you've got a bad credit score, come on over here. We're gonna get out of this.
Guys, wala tayong napili ngayong araw dahil nga magre-renew muna sila ng visa.
Yes.
Dahil hindi obra yung visa, no?
Visa. So,
hindi
dito
kaya
pala
ng
sa
visa.
Australia, mabilis lang ma-approve. Mga loan na yan. Kunyari, gusto mo ng bago sasakyan.
Days lang, no? Araw lang.
Araw lang.
Araw lang.
Tapos hindi sila maraming mga background check. Wala. Basta may papers ka dito.
Tsaka may trabaho ka.
May trabaho ka.
Yun lang.
Approve
Okay
agad.
yan. Approve. Tsaka yun lang, importante yung visa. Pagka temporary visa. Kailangan more than a year.
A year.
More than a year.
Tapos, wala silang problema kahit temporary visa ka.
Wala.
Guarantee 90% ma-approve yung loan mo.
Loan. Car loan. O yan nga guys, wala muna tayong nakuha. Ayun, si Ryan nakakausap natin. Yung isang agent dito na Australian. Ryan! Thank you, ah. Thank you.